So today we'd like to going to Lembang now for workshop. Jadi hari ini kita bakalan pergi ke Lembang buat workshop. Kita bakalan ngajar ibu-ibu di sana buat bikin Ecoprint, bikin shawl, bikin pasmina. Jadi ini juga buat kegiatan baru buat ibu-ibu di sana biar mereka lebih produktif dan kreatif. Jadi gimana keseruannya? Oke, let's go, ikutin. Now I'm going to prepare the packaging. So inside the packaging, inside the goodie bag, I would like to put like some shawls, scarf, and then leaves, and then raffia ropes, and then so many equipment material for this workshop. Can you see this? This one, the material, and then this one is the most important thing. Look at the color. I love the color. Look at that. Yeah, I think that's all. I already prepared that one, the leaves. And maybe I would like to show you what kind of leaves that produce color. The leaves can produce like green color or black color or the dark green color. We'd like to see in the workshop. Okay, thank you. Jadi kita bakalan collaboration with TikTok and content creator lainnya. Siapa aja ya content creator yang bakalan datang? Let's see. Curious, right? Me too. I still don't know yet. Who's the content creator we become? So many things to bring. Who are you? Look at that, so many things to bring. Here also. Kita mau pergi kemana nih? Woo! Can you see that?
No wax.
Oh iya, yang ada itu.
Apa?
Di sini ya.
Iya ini udah deket kok, itu tinggal di situ.
Bawah non wax.
Look, we arrived. Villa Bunda. Dengan macam kebebasan. So we are arrived. I see the view before. Look at that.
Kamu baru dapat.
Oh yeah, baru datang. Now we like to prepare, move the what? Something like the material and equipment for this workshop. So yeah, let's go.
Baru nyampe banget. Baru nyampe Pak. Mana kita?
Yeah.
Jangan sama.
Ini dibawakan ya?
Yes.
Di mana ini bawah sekali?
Yeah. For tomorrow's workshop. Do you want to join? Let's go. So hi, welcome to Lembang. Now I'm in Lembang. I would like to make like some workshop in here. Workshop how I made Ecoprint with ibu-ibu in here. in Lembang, and then yeah. So this is the venue for workshop in Villa Kita 88. So here we have a swimming pool with a great view there. Look at that. That one we can see the landscape of Bandung city. Actually that one is Punchlut, like Bukit or something like that. And then here you can just enjoy, chill, and just sit in here, enjoy the vibes, the view from here like that. And then you can see like the architecture in here, like the combination between Bali and then Bandung, Jawa, like from Nusantara, Indonesia. Here, as you can see, there's a lot art sitting in here. I love to be here, like the relief of the what it called, the wood. Everything is just perfect. You need to come here if you go to Bandung. Sini juga ada musola kalau kalian mau sembahyang. Look at this relief. All the small detail is just perfect, you know. I love it. Okay, let's go. Kalau kalian bareng-bareng keluarga atau temen, di sini juga ada tempat kayak barbecue, jadi bisa panggang-panggangan di sini sambil duduk-duduk, sambil lihat view. And the view is pretty nice. And again, I love the view. At this, the vibe is just like Bali, right? I love to be here. Take some pictures. Okay, now we're going to our room here. Welcome. Jadi di sini the first ada joglo. Ini joglo ya namanya. Ada joglo kayak buat santai-santai, bisa di sebelah sini. Jadi ini adalah ada kayak ruangan, ada 4 ruangan gitu buat istirahat, dan di tengah-tengahnya ada joglo. Let's go. Pertama mau ke joglo dulu atau mau ke kamar? Ke kamar, okay, let's go. My team is prepare for photo shoot. Hi babe. Hi bitches.
Hi guys.
It's messy already. Now let's see the bathroom. See at the painting, it's really cool, right? Here you can just sit, and you will got a lot of inspiration here. Just try, sit. Just try, sit. Let's move to the next room. Let's go. Actually, they have like 4 rooms in here. This one, 1, 2, 3 over there, 4. Then we'd like to see another room. Every room like have a different detail interior. So we need to explore, right? Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Hi. It looks like me, right? To going to restroom here. Oh, ta-da! Look at this red wood. It's really cool, right? This is my favorite place. I mean, my favorite spot in here. Let's go see here. But the first, when you come, see up there. Jadi ini ruangannya multifunctional sih, bisa buat apa ya? Gathering, buat apa? Buat kumpul-kumpul, buat santai. You can do here so many things like art sitting. I love here. I want to be here. I want to live here. Look at the lamp. Look at the what it called. Everything's just perfect, and I love this bantal also. Look, the pattern is just like Gucci.
Porcelain.
Yes, porcelain. I mean. Di sini juga ada tempat bakar-bakaran, grill, something like that. Bakar kenangan, bakar mantan boleh dilakukan di sini. And enjoy the view again and again and again. Sini juga sebenarnya bisa kasih table-table gitu. Jadi kalau misalkan mau ada acara atau apa, bisa di sini. And then look behind you. Tada! It's cool, right? Okay, so let's go here in Villa kita 88 in Lembang, Pagerwangi. In Lembang? No, I think in Pagerwangi. Okay, just contact di bawah ini. And just say my name. You will get a discount lah. Hi guys! So today, nggak tahu kita mau ngapain sih? Masak mie, terus mau ngapain?
Nongkrong.
Nongkrong. Alright. Check it pose. 1, 2, cekran.
Kan di dalam kolam.
Dan ini yang paling baik.
Kerupuk.